The overall goal of this procedure is to study the mechanisms that regulate mast cell secretory granule development and exocytosis. This is accomplished by first cotransfecting mast cells with the reporter gene for exocytosis, as well as a gene of interest. The second step is to assess the effect of the tested gene on exocytosis by stimulating the cells and monitoring the fluorescent signal of the reporter gene during exocytosis. Next, the effect of the tested gene on mast cell secretory granule generation and development is assessed by confocal imaging of the reporter gene that is localized to the secretory granules. The final step is to perform morphometric analysis of the secretory granules. Ultimately, fluorescence labeling of mast cell secretory granules using a reporter gene is used to show alteration in mast cells' secretory granule development and their exocytosis.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods such as measuring the release of the endogenous mediators, beta-hexosaminidase or histamine, is that it is based on the co-expression of the gene of interest, wild-type, mutant, or shRNA, together with a reporter for exocytosis. The co-expression then allows monitoring secretion exclusively from the genetically manipulated cells, thus overcoming the problem of high noise-to-signal ratio that arises when measuring the release of the endogenous mediators due to the low transfectability of mast cells, which hampers the interpretation.